Content management in Orchard Code 2.0 plus, and this is an ASP.NET application. So this is today's subject matter for the video. So look on. Hello and welcome everyone. So in this, continuing with the series of Orchard Code 2.0 plus with ASP.NET 8, in the last session I have actually created a CMS website with Orchard Core, and now I intend to take it to a step further by actually changing the contents, doing some content management. So we are into the login screen by through this admin module, and it brings me to the username and password screen. Okay, so let me log in and I will do many interesting things. So please hang on till the end, because you will be dished with something that you have never seen in my previous series on Orchard Core way back with ASP.NET Core 3.1 and a much earlier version of Orchard. But this time I wish to take it further and do a complete series of videos on Orchard Core, starting from very basic to intermediate to advanced. All right, so thank you being patient with me, and I hope you will not be disappointed if you go through the entire video. So before going through the entire video, let me first show you the result, the fruit of your effort that you are going to put in the next 10-15 minutes while watching through my video for the entire duration. So this is the final finished product. So I've got this change. Welcome to our Orchard Core site. It was previously something different. Kaushik Orchard Core site for e-commerce. This also I have changed. The main heading and the welcome text, and I also added a YouTube as a main menu, and then all these services I have put meaningful stuff, meaningful content over there in e-commerce, responsive design, web security, as well as there was just a filler text was there, which I have also changed. I have changed the filler text to something very, very meaningful, and I got it all from ChatGPT, which I will be sharing with you in the later part of my video. Please hang tight. And also I have changed these portfolios, so this has got all meaningful stuff over there, meaningful passages. You can close this project and you've got meaningful passage for all my projects or all the portfolio projects. And also we have changed our about stuff to more meaningful, as it is representing a digital agency which is now coming to a fruition, and it has got a expanded company which is in much demand. And our amazing team also have changed from the original ones. If you look into my previous video in this series, you can find it all, the changes that I have created, and I will put the link to that video on this video itself. And I haven't changed anything on the Microsoft Google, but you are also able to change. If you persist through my entire video, you will also come to know how the footer is also changed. Okay, can be changed, and I've kept this contact as it is because I don't need to change it. So here we are to the full description of all the changes that I carried out in this video. So please be patient and sit tight with a cup of coffee in your hands and watch the entire video for a great learning session. So hang tight. Remember me and then log in. All right, so once you have logged in, now here this is the Orchard Core site, and if you get rid of this admin portion, you can view the actual site. So I'll take this away and let us review the site as it stands today. This is the Orchard Core site. Welcome to our studio. What I intend to do is I will tell you where do these main menus come from, where this markup, where this Kaushik Orchard course site comes from. Welcome to our studio. And how do you change these services and e-commerce with suitable contents? Even though if you keep it at the same, with e-commerce, responsive design and web security, you would like to fill it. So this I have already filled. And so from lorem ipsum sit amet dolor, I have already changed, and where I changed it, where these changes come from, so that it is indent like what it is rendering now. So here again, if you go to the admin module and content, here content items, all right, and then media library, in which I have changed the original three figures of the lead marketer, lead developer, and lead designer to these three other people's images that I got from PowerPoint by inserting images from the website, and I have taken some images which are attrition free, okay, it's copyright free. So I've already changed that, but I will tell you in much more detail where I could do these things, I could change these, okay. So content items, I will show you how did I edit these things. I have already changed the e-commerce service with the suitable passage, and that I also got from ChatGPT. Okay, so I got it all on my clipboard and got it from my ChatGPT. Responsive design, web security, e-commerce, our humble beginnings, March 2011, etc., etc. So I will like to show you straight away how did I do the content management. So I have already filled this part. I have changed this responsive design as I've just shown in, and also the web security part. All right. Now, the next interesting thing will be to change the team members. Now, team member will be, I am got these attrition free images. So Anita Anderson, lead marketer, and David Williams, the lead developer. Okay, so I will come back after changing this, and then we will resume. So David Williams is my lead developer, as I just showed from this image, just for reference purpose. And I will put the image. He's already there. This is my David Anderson, and I'll click on OK. So David Williams will be there. So okay, so right. So save draft. So again, come back to view, come back to edit, and here I've got Timothy Green, David Williams, and add the third team member, which will be Anita Anderson. So now I have changed all these three team members with these images, David Williams, and the name changed also. So now I will save the draft and then preview the draft. So all my changes have been incorporated, even though the images are a bit squished because they were supposed to be in a different size of pixels, and it was supposed to be for these circular frames. But anyway, what I meant to show you that I could easily change these the team members with their images and their names and titles, and that's what I have been successful in. So I have already changed the services. This is the collection of services that we offer. E-commerce, I have put responsive design and web security. Suitable contents I have already filled. Okay, and this also I have changed. This is the folio of our showcased works. Now, where did I change this part? This is the collection of services that we offer, and this is the folio of our showcased works. and this here you will get everything about us. Now I've still to make these changes, so I wish to be as comprehensive as possible without repeating things. So I will come back again after I get to the point where I could show you where I have changed these things, these subheadings or text. Okay. So now I am into the design, and here you can see settings, placement, shortcodes, templates. I will come to straight away the templates. Now, if I click on this edit or here, I'll come up with the actual markup. Okay. So in this markup, you can see HTML, plain HTML is services. This is the collection of services that we offer. Now you can change it to anything. It was originally with the filler passage with lorem ipsum, whatever that is. I mean, as a tradition, as a convention kept when the website is made with the template. So this some filler text was there, which I have changed, which I have replaced with this. This is the collection of services that we offer. Okay. Similarly, for portfolio, I have changed this to this is the folio of our showcased work. And similarly, I have also changed the about. Here you will get everything about. Okay. And then comes our amazing team. Let us change it to something like meaningful meet our amazing team. Okay. And then save, and then again edit, come to the edit mode. Now the thing is, where some changes need to be straight away made it to the edit template mode, I have to do it there, and some of the changes like media items and these passages, here again. So media library, content items. So here you can see the landing page in the edit mode. So I could change, rather than going directly to the template, I could change it from here. Next, what I did was to change all of these, threads project. So I put the title, the threads. So let me first visit again. So threads, explore, finish, lines, southwest, and windows. These are all project portfolios. So I will change them. So I've already put the proper HTML body from my ChatGPT, which is what I have actually created a prompt, suitable prompts like these. Write suitable short passages for portfolio headings like threads, illustrations, explore graphic design, finish identity, lines, branding, southwest, web design, and window photography. This will be the content of the website. All right. So it has come up with nice passages without me blinking an eyelid for doing research on these things. So that is the use of these, ChatGPT, which is a great time saver. Not only time saver, it's your digital assistant in every sense of the way. Okay, now threads project, and then explore project and HTML body, and then this is the category is graphic design. Here the category was illustration. As you can see, these are the categories. This is the illustration is a category, graphic design is a category, finish is a identity is a category. These are all categories: branding, web design, and photography. So this all comes from here. Now I've kept the images the same, but you can always change the images, as I've already shown you in the team members. If you have got even better images, and if you've got some other projects where you need to show different images, you can always change it. You can delete from here and then go back to the media library. So for the media library, for the portfolio, you've got all these images which are being shown. Okay, and this is the logos and about images. So coming back to where we are in the portfolio, I've already changed the finish, I've changed the lines. So what happened? Oh, since I have not saved, it has again gone back to non-saved version. So you should always get back to the previous screen But before doing that, you must save it. You must save the draft. So which I didn't do. That was something you need to learn, or we need to do it by practice. Okay. Now this time I have saved the draft, and I'm previewing the draft, closing this project, explore. There's also meaningful things written over here from the ChatGPT, as I have shown you in the previous minute. And then close this project, come to finish. It is also all relevant thing. Passage is written. Crafting identities that speak to the core of a brand is our specialty. And similarly for all of these lines, and then close this project, Southwest, and close this project, and then Windows. Finally, we will change this one, and I will come back again. So now I have made changes to all of these passages. Our humble beginnings, milestone, and then agency is born, and then transition to full services. But I need to save it first. Yeah. And then see the preview the draft again. So you can see it is all having content managed. Our humble beginnings in 2009, we started with a small yet passionate team driven by a vision to revolutionize digital experiences. Working out a modernist office, we focused on delivering innovative solutions to local businesses through determination and a dedication to quality. Similarly, March 2011, an agency is born. We officially transition into a full-fledged agency offering a broad range of services to meet the growing demands of our clients. Okay, and December 2015 transition to full service. In 2015, we evolved into a full service digital agency, expanding our offerings to include e-commerce solutions, mobile app development, comprehensive digital strategies. This transition allowed us to provide end-to-end services. July 2020, phase 2 expansion. Okay, so here everything is what I have done already, and you can see in the edit mode. Now I can publish it also, and then you can view it. Now this is not in the preview mode, this is the final mode. All right, now as I have told, where these main menus come from. So these main menus, if you look into this menu, so this is main menu, services, portfolio, about, team, contact. Okay, you can add something else also. Let us click add on one of these. Add available menu items, link menu item, content menu item, HTML menu item. You can, let's see, content menu item, add. So let's see, okay, YouTube, something like that. Select content item, type to search. YouTube curated videos. Okay. Publish. Type to search. Because sorry, this is for typing to search. Now let us see preview. Select content item field is required. Okay. Main menu. Okay. Now let's preview it. Okay, this is the YouTube, and going back, publish. Okay, so this is coming under contact, and this label, publish, and let us view it. So YouTube is also there. Contact, team, about, services here, and YouTube is because I have not written anything for this YouTube. Just I wanted to show you how to make add into the main menu another navigation item. So there we are. Now finally, I could have told it as the first thing, but I could also change this, edit the landing page to title of this website, Kaushik Orchard Core site. You can change it to Kaushik's Orchard Core site for e-commerce, and then come back and publish, and then view the landing page, view it. So Kaushik Orchard Core site for e-commerce. Welcome to our studio. Here also I think you should be able to change this. Welcome to our studio. So I found that this also comes from the template. So within design templates, welcome to our studio, you can write it, welcome to our Orchard Core site, something like that. Save it. Let us see if changes or not. Welcome to our Orchard Core site. Okay, tell me more. So now everything is published. Now all these things have been changed and site is well managed, well content managed. So I have received a thank from my management and a possible recommendation for an award as the best content management person that has come to this team. I could finally change this Microsoft, Google, Facebook and IBM, these footer, and let us see. If you'd like, you can see you have come to clients provide a collection behavior for your content item. This Microsoft, here you can change the Microsoft logo to Amazon, AWS or anything else, LinkedIn. You can also change this Microsoft, Google, Facebook, IBM, or you can add more clients. Okay, and I think I can leave it at that because I have spoken enough for content management and I have tried to make it as comprehensive as possible. But if you have any questions, please put it in your comments, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel and refer it to your friends and put your valuable comments.